Dear students, research, Governor General of India and Asia, and research Buddhism and politics. I draw attention and related to General Secretary United Nations Organization, UNO. First Asian General Secretary was U Thantsa.
तेज बोलिए.
Later, from India, Sati Sir had contested against South Korean moves, but he had lost. So he had contested but lost. But it was a sign of United Nations led peace to the world. And Board of Peace formed by Donald Trump sir on Gaza to bring peace and invited all. But here I am from Patna, PWS Haldar Chand Putwaya, and enlivening Governor General of India, who had in 1885 built through Eohim and promoted Indian National Congress to form and came up in 1885. And also in 1885, Burma was made part of Indian states. And Burma at 85, Governor General of India and Asia,
Lord Dufferin.
Lord Dufferin, and Governor of India, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon sent army. So Indian army is the pillar of Indian army is the pillar of Asia to bring peace. So after United Nations, Indian peacekeeping force always United Nations, Indian peacekeeping force were there also to bring peace. It is the Indian army alone can bring, United Nations can bring the peace. So Donald Trump of USA can't bring peace anywhere in the world. Though he is powerful, but Indian army is more powerful if they are given to bring peace. So Iron Market Ansbol Read Buddhist mission which was sent by Ashoka to bring peace in Asia, and only India and Indian and first Indian Governor General was Raja Gopalachari. After him, when Constitution came into operation, it became the President Rajendra Prasad, Supreme Commander of the Indian Army. So Indian Army go ahead, and Indian Army alone, the power lies with the Indian President and Prime Minister of India to bring peace in the world. So go ahead and not join the Donald Trump Board of Peace, because he is just fooling the people, because since post-World War, all the presidents had fooled only the world, but they had not done anything to bring the peace in the world. So India alone can bring peace in the world.